Good day everyone. So I'm going to teach you how to use Vepaar app. Now when you click on your Vepaar app, this is what it's going to show you. Now the first thing you are going to do is to create an account. Now I'll click on create an account. Can you see it now? So now you can create an account using any of your Gmail. Do you understand? But me, I'm going with Gap Training Institute. Can you see it now? I've done my own. Now the next thing you are going to click on your password. I'm going to write my own password since I've already registered with them before. So now I've logged into my account now. Can you see it now? Now when you log into your account, the next thing you are going to do is to check your info. So when you come to your info, you allow it to load. Now your profile, you have to add something to your profile. Now this is my own profile. Now if you want to remove it, you can remove it. But now since I'm already okay with the profile, I will leave it there. But if you want to change your own, you can remove it and change it. Now you go to your cover image. If you have other image that you want to add to it, you click on this thing, you remove it and you add another one to it. Do you understand? So your business name. Now my own business name is Gap Training Institute. Can you see it? So Gap Training Institute. So I'm okay with this one. Can you see? Then you click on mark. Now the next thing, you go to your about your business. So you write about your business. I mean, I've already written my own, so you do the same thing. You write your own, then you click on mark. Then you come to your biz page language. It should always be automatic. Can you see English? Then your address is always optional, but me, I do advise my student that they should put in their address in case your client wants to locate you. So this is my own address or your state. Can you see it? Then my country is always Nigeria. Can you see? This is my country. Then when you are done with the information, you click on save. Can you see it now? Now I've successfully updated details. Now you go back to the main thing. You click on your number. So when you click on your number, then you click on your number. So your number is always Nigeria. Can you see it? Then your WhatsApp number, you make sure you add your WhatsApp number to it. Can you see it? My own WhatsApp number has been there. Then you click on save. Can you see it? So that's how you are going to do it. Then you go back to your home page. You click on your social link. Can you see my social link? So now any link you want to add, you have to your platform. Now let's assume that you want to add any of the link here. If you have any of the link that you want to add to it, if it's Telegram, if it's anything, let me give you for instance. Now let's assume that I want to add Telegram. This is my own Telegram now. Then you go to your Telegram, you copy the link, you paste it here. Then you come down here, you click on this mark, you come down here, you click on save. Can you see it? So but now my own is not Telegram, my own is WhatsApp. So I'm not adding any Telegram app. I'll be linking rather, sorry. So I'm not adding any linking. That is it. So you click on save. So that's how you are going to do it for all other social link. The next thing you are going to do is to go to your link here. So if you have any other link, you come here, you click on it, your title, then your link. Your description is always optional. If you have any description you want to write there, your emoji, you can include it. Then you click on save. That's how you are going to do it. So the thing is to go to your domain. So this is my own domain. Anyone you want to use, is either use your own domain or use the WAP's biz domain. So I prefer you should use the WAP biz domain, because since you are making use of the app, so it's better to use it. But if it's your own domain, that means you must have your own website. Do you understand what I'm saying? You must have your own website. So but since I'm making use of the WAP biz domain, so I make use of their domain, and this is my own thing. They have already given me my own thing. Let's assume you want to make use of your own domain. You click on this thing. So now when you click on it, this is what it's going to show you. You write your subdomain, your main domain, then you click on save. But since I don't have the domain now, I'm going to use the WAP biz domain, which I've already done here. So when you use the WAP biz domain, you are going to, these things will automatically give you your. So when you are done, then the next thing you are going to do is to click on quick reply. So now the reason why I normally use quick reply is because in case I'm not online, so it won't be as if I'm not online at all. So this thing will automatically send message to them offline, away message. Can you see it? So I've done my own already. Then when you are through with your own, you do it. Then your image, if you want to add image to it, you can add. Can you see my own image now? Then you click on save. That's how you are going to do it. Then the next thing is to go back to your home page. Then you come to your product. Now before you add product to it, first of all go to your categories. Now if you want to add categories, you click on your plus sign. You name the name of the category. Let's assume that I want to add something to it now. Picture frame. Can you see it? Then say create. You click on create. Can you see it now? I've created categories. Now then you go to your product. You click on your product like this. Can you see it? Now it has appeared here. Can you see it? Add product. Simple. Can you see it? Now the name of the product is picture frame. So you click on picture frame. It's under then the regular price, the amount you normally do it. Let's say me, I normally do it 3,000 naira. But now for the sake of bonus, now I'm doing it at the rate of 5. Okay, let me say 2,000 naira. Can you see it now? So then the measurement is optional. You don't need to add measurement. Description, if you want to add description, you can do that. So now your stock keeping unit, if you want to do it, add it. Is optional. You can add it. Then your link, if you want to do it, you can add it. If the product is out of stock, you click on this side. But my product is not out of stock, so it's service I'm rendering. So the status should always be what? Active. Can you see it? Then click on create. So I've done my own now. Now the next thing is to add pictures. You click on this thing. You come here to the image. So now I'm going to add pictures to it now. You click on plus sign. Choose from gallery. So any picture you want to add. So let me go with this. Can you see it now? So can you see it? Then click on mark. So I've added picture. Then you allow it to load. So I've done. Now I want to add another picture again. Can you see it now? That's how you are going to do it. So I'm about to add another picture to it now. So now I'm adding picture to it again. So I'm going with this picture. Sorry. So I'm going with this picture. So you allow it to wait. This is the second picture. Let me add the third picture to it again. We follow the same process. So can you see it? So follow the same process. So I'm adding picture to my own now. We go with this picture. Can you see it? You allow it to wait. Can you see it now? So that's how you are going to do it. If you want to add picture, you just go to gallery, choose from gallery, and click on it. So my own is here. That's how you are going to do it. Can you see it now? So now if you are done adding products, can you see now I've added my own products? Can you see those pictures that I've just added now? Can you see it now? So I'm done adding pictures to this thing. Now the next thing you are going to do is to go to your charges. How much do you want to charge them? Let's say for me now, I say any product they purchase, I'm going to charge them per percentage, 5%. So your own might be 10, your own might be 15, depending on your own product. Can you see then when you are done writing the value, then you click on save. Can you see it now? I'm done with it. Then you go to your shipping. So now let's assume that you want to ship the product from one state to another or internationally. So now within the states, within Nigeria now, any location, I'm charging with just 1,000 naira. then the free delivery 500 naira. Can you see it now? So your status should always be active. So when you are done with it, you click on, then your shipping charges note. So maybe if you want to add note to whatever you are delivering, you can do that, but it's optional. It's not important. So now you click on your save. Can you see it now? Can you see it? Then you go back again to your main this thing. You go to checkout. So your checkout now, their minimum amount you want them to order. So let's assume that the only thing, maybe your minimum can be 5,000. They should not order less than 5,000 naira. But me, I did not want to set it so that there are other things that is less than that. So you can order anything. Since I'm available, I will deliver the product to you. So if you want to set your minimum order and the rest, you can also do it. Now the next thing is to go to your add-on. There's nothing to write there. Then your form. So for those that want to purchase online, that want to order online, so this thing you are going to click it. Their name is very important, their email, their address line 1, address line 2 if possible, their landmark, locality, I don't need to include it, city, state, country, pin code and notes. So now this is the one I click. All this blue sign now, it shows that in their form, this is what is going to be showing. So but if you prefer everything, you can click on everything. So anybody that wants to order online, they will use this form. This is what is going to show them, and they are going to fill the form and send it to you. So they will notify you when the person order online. They are going to notify you through WhatsApp or any other, or their this thing, the website. So that's what you are going to do. Then settings. Then your settings, I told you that is optional, but if you want to add your this thing to it, your check notes, your check out note. So I've written my own. I say thanks for placing your order. We hope to have you around next time to buy from us. So that's all. Then when you are done, you click on your save. Then you go to your WhatsApp again. So now I told you that you should always use your WhatsApp number. So that they can, like me now, I use my own WhatsApp number, because anybody that order online can actually, they will contact me through the WhatsApp, and I'll be able to connect with my clients online. So that's why I use my WhatsApp number. But you might decide to use the vepaar official number, but I will advise you should make use of your number. Then you click on your save. Can you see it now? Then you go to your mobile number. So make sure your mobile number is always, the status is always active. Click on, can you see it? Status is active. Then you click on your save. Then you go back to your home page. You click on your payments. So anybody that want to make payments can easily make payments online. Now these are all the things that we have here. We have the Stripe, we have the Pay Later, we have the Razor Pay, we have the Pay Stack, we have the Flutter Waves, we have the vepaar, we have the Paytm. So now I register for Pay Later. Can you see it now? So I've enabled it. If you notice others not configured. So now if you want to register for Stripe, you have to go to your Google, you register online, then you click on settings. Can you see it? Then enable it. So they will ask you some other information about this publishable key, secret key. So that one is personal. So you are going to write it there. Then your web hood and the rest. Then you click on save. But since me, I have not yet registered on Stripe, so I don't need to include it. So the same thing is applicable to others too. Can you see Razor Pay? So the same thing, if you want to enable it, they are going to ask you about some option, description, display name, publishable key, secret key. Then you click on your save. Can you see it? Then that's it. But the only thing I enable is Pay Later. So if you want to register on any of these things, what you just need to do is to go to your Google, register, copy the publishable key and the publishable key. Copy the publishable key and the secret key. Then you paste it here. Then you click on save. So this thing will automatically show that it has been enabled. So your client can pay through it. Like my own is Pay Later. So That's the only thing I enable. So you can enable as many as possible depending on you. Now the next thing is to go to your settings. Can you see it now? Your store name, your store should have a name. So my own is Gap Training Institute. Then your currency you are using, my own is Nigeria. So that's Nigeria Naira. So your own might be dollar, your own might be pounds, your own might be euro, depending on the one you want to use. So now your invoice, you can, if you want to add your invoice, you can add to it. Then always make sure you save your work. Anything you edit, make sure you always save it. Like now I'm done with this one, I'll save it. Can you see it now? So that means your website is ready for use. So now since you are done with everything, now you go to your pools. So there's nothing to add there. Your integrations, there's nothing to configure there. So I think we are done with it now. So now if you want to do anything again, you go to your, if you want to log out, you can log out. This is my own profile. Can you see my own profile? So this is my own profile. Then now there's other things I want to show you too. Now if you want to share your website, can you see it? You click on share. Can you see it now? Then you can easily share to any social media. Like let's assume I want to share to WhatsApp now. Can you see it now? So you allow it to load. So then you can now share to any of your contacts or maybe to group. So if you want them to do it, so that's how you are going to do it. So it's as simple as ABC. So now with this type of app now, your clients will be able to order online easily without stress. So now anytime they click on your app, anytime they click, let me give for instance now, let me share to any of the this thing and see how it will look like. So can you see it now? Let me share to this thing now. It seems the network is a little bit bad. Let's assume that I want to share to my status now. Can you see? Can you see what? Hello, you can start shopping at our online store. Please visit it, blah 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 blah. Can you see it there? Then you click on it. Can you see? I've already sent to my status now. So now I should go. Let me go to my status and check. Let me go to my status and check. So now this is my status already. Can you see it now? When they click on it now, this is what is going to show them. Can you see it? It's loading. Can you see it now? So my website is done. It's ready for use now. So can you see store now? So these are, don't mind this thing. So now these are my products. Can you see? The one I just added was picture frame. Can you see my picture frame now? Can you see it now? Can you see it? So that's it. So let's back it. So there are other things I've already added to it before. This is my own banner. So web design, can you see it? Web development, can you see my flyers? Business logo, can you see it? So that's it. So when you click on the website, this is where it's going to. So when you click on the website, this is where it's going to take you to. This place is called the front end, while the place we have been working on is called the back end. So the back end is meant for the admin. That's you. You are the owner of the website. Then this place is meant for your customer, your clients. They can easily order. Now if you want to order for any of my products, I've told you. So this is it. Let's assume you want to order for one frame, one church flyer, one web design, one certificate, then one graphics design, your one business card. Then if you want to, then you go to your cart. Can you see now the total of what you are ordering is what? 12,100 naira. Then you click on continue. Can you see it now? So I told you that form that I show you before. Can you see it now? So if you want to order, you write your name. Okay, Gabriel. Can you see Gabriel? Your email, younggabmoney@gmail.com. So when people want to order from you, this is what is going to show. Like Benue State. Let me say Benue State. Benue. Address. GRA. Can you see it? So all these things is going to ask you those questions. So landmark. Okay. Let me say 500. City. Otukpo. Can you see it now? State, Benue State. Country, Nigeria. So all these questions is going to ask you. Then click on continue. Can you see it now? Can you see it now? Continue. So fee for order must be above 5. So then you continue. Can you see place via WhatsApp? Can you see it now? So now when the person message you, so this is what is going to show on your WhatsApp when the person order from you. Can you see? Yeah, your order is received. Order details: business card 1000, picture frame, church, web design, certificate, graphic design, shipping, and so the name of the person will appear, the email of the person will appear, then the address and everything will appear. Can you see it now? But because I'm the owner of the listing, so it's going to show. I'm going to see it here. But let's assume that someone ordered from your listing, then they are going to send you they are going to send you message, the form the person fill online. So they will send you message to your WhatsApp too. I want you to do the same. So they are going to send you message through your WhatsApp. So can you see it now? So I've received my own message. So I want you to do the same too. Design something like this for me, send the screenshot, then let me check it. Good night.